Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect your bonds with Raymond James step by step clearly. To connect your bonds with Raymond James, start by visiting the Raymond James website. Locate the Client Access section on the homepage. Click on Client Access to enter the secure client portal. If you are a new user, click on Register to create your account. Fill out the required personal information, including your name and email address. Create a strong password that meets the security criteria provided. Once you've registered, log into the client portal using your new credentials. Navigate to the Accounts tab in the main menu. Select Fixed Income or Bonds from the drop-down menu. Here, you will find a list of your current bond holdings. To add new bonds, click on the Add Bond button. Input the bond details, including the issuer, maturity date, and interest rate. Review the information you've entered to ensure accuracy. Once confirmed, submit the information to add the bond to your portfolio. Monitor your bonds by checking the performance section regularly. If you encounter any issues, use the Help feature for guidance. For personalized assistance, consider contacting your financial advisor directly. Make sure to review your bond portfolio and adjust as needed based on market conditions. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.